making you mess my hairstyle up, eh?
Hello, I'm Harry Walsh. This is my bike check.
Dun dun dun.
Got the MT Zenta chrome frame here. Get that graphic on the front there. Got the blue profile stem acoustic.
Wow.
Got the chrome frame. Just check out that chrome right there.
It's all misty.
I got the Mankind sprocket with a BMX bike train.
Whoa, would you check that out?
Alright.
Say that again, dude.
Would you check that out, dude?
Alright. Totally. What's this back here, Harry Walsh?
I've got the red proper rims here.
Oh my good God, what the hell, man?
Red proper hubs. And I got the Odyssey Akin tan wall
Oh my good God, that's...
in 1.85.
Because he likes extra speed, don't you? Dude, give us a nice click of the freewheel. Oh yeah. What brake you got, Harry Walsh?
I'm running the Odyssey Evo 2 brake with a proper see-through
What?
pads. Only pros run off of Evo 2s.
What cables you running, man?
I'm running the Gusset Slim Jim cable.
Gusset cables.
I got the source bars there. Actually, Verd bars. Grand Slams to that kid in Redditch.
And that was Harry Walsh's bike check.
I'm finished! I got the Odyssey medium mono lever.
With the red bit in
I
there.
got Ethan Mumford's old grips. Long necks, I think.
Last year, they've lasted a while.
And this is what I do.
Show us what you do on it, Harry.
I am not biking.
Show us what you do.
This is what I did.
I do edits like this.
Oh my God!
Oh my God! And that was Harry Walsh's bike check. See you later, guys.